Greetings of the day. Myself Bhumi Sharma from Thakur Institute of Hotel Management. We would like to talk about the kitchen department. The kitchen department plays vital role in hospitality industry. So today my fellow colleague Mr. Jaden Fernandez will explain you about the professional toolkit and its purposes. Jaden, over to you.
Yes, greetings of the day. As my colleague here introduced me, so let's get straight into this. My name is Jaden Fernandez and today I'll be explaining you the benefits and purposes of this elegant toolkit, which is provided by the institute. So let's see what's in my bag. So first things first, we have a utility chef's knife. We have a paring knife, which can be used to give your final details to your food items. We have a bread knife, which can be used to cut breads. It is essential and is a must to use this bread knife while cutting breads, because breads tend to have a hard crust. So for them not to crumble, we must essentially use a bread knife. This is a palette knife. This is used to flip or to lift up the cake and can be used to give your final touches to your frosting. This is a wooden spoon used to mash and mix potatoes for a chicken preparation. This is a perforated spoon. This is recommended for deep frying, for basically puris and samosas. This is your ladle for stirring gravies. This is your silicone spatula. A whisk that is used to beat eggs mainly and can be used to give it a consistency. This is your peeler used to peel vegetables. This is your flat spoon used to flip omelets. This is your brush used to give egg wash for your final desserts. This, we all know what is this. This is a lighter. This is your spoon, this is your fork, and this is a must that you have to place your fork and your spoon on your left shoulder at all times. This is your teaspoon, which can be used for measurements purposes also. This is your scraper, which can be used to knead the dough and lift up chopped vegetables. This is your piping bag. This piping bag comes with the necessary nozzles and each nozzle has different purposes and different shapes and sizes. In the end, we have the most essential item, that is a duster, and a chef must use it at all times because you need to maintain the hygiene level at all times. So this has to be at your backside, here behind your apron. You can tuck it here. And remember guys, always I've explained to each and every tool that comes within this toolkit provided by the institute. So as always guys, stay safe and be healthy. Thank you.